Hi guys, in this video I would like to share you how we can make a affiliated link in Amazon. First of all, open your affiliated account. In homepage you can see the product links. Okay, then select the item, search item here. You can select the category and a lot of categories here. Select the category and then click go. Now you can see a lot of product which category you selected. Search a product and click the get link. Now you can see four options here: text and image, text only, picture image only, and widgets. You can select which one you need. Here I am selecting text only option. Then shorten the link here, copy the link, put the link where you want to publish. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.